This is going to be a short video to show you how to synchronize your crosshairs. These things right here you see as my pointers moving around, the crosshairs, across multiple charts on different time frames. You may want to do this to look at price action on, say, on a weekly chart and on a daily chart, and figure out where you're at on both charts to see what the price, so you can get a closer look on the daily and what's happening in the weekly. This is fairly simple to do. You simply go up to your settings tab, little gear icon, and you go to general. You come down and you synchronize crosshair positions. Apply. Okay. And notice now we have the crosshairs on both screens, and if we zoom in here on this weekly chart, we look here and we zoom in on the daily chart, we can see in the week what is done during that day to make that weekly candlestick. We can see how it did that. We could it's helpful to have this so you can, especially if you're looking at price action, determining buying, selling points or whatever method you're using, to be able to look at price action across multiple time frames is very important. Now this, you can use as many charts as you want. You can use 6 charts, 8, 12, or 3, 6, 9, 12 charts. The only condition is it has to be the same stock for this to work, or same ETF, or same future. So that's how it works. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, tell someone about this channel, leave a comment. You have a good day.